Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. My name is Michelle, and for today's video, let's talk a little bit more about the Louis Vuitton iconic earrings. The iconic earrings, which I'm actually wearing right now, these ones retail for $395, and when I said that they were going to be the perfect everyday earring, I truly meant it, because they really are. Like, if I'm leaving the house, these ones are probably the earrings that are on my ear, and I just absolutely love them. As I mentioned, these ones are $395, and they were actually safe from the recent price increase that Louis Vuitton just had, which I'm actually surprised. And $395 really is not a bad price for some earrings from Louis Vuitton, especially if you're going to be wearing them every single day. Here's a photo of the Louis Vuitton iconic earrings, and they also have these ones that come with rhinestones as well, that also come in the color gold or silver. And here are the gold ones. Here are the silver ones, and these ones retail for $475. I actually was contemplating between the plain ones and the gold with rhinestones, but ultimately I ended up with these ones, and I am really just happy with my decision. Something that I also want to mention is that this is fashion jewelry. It's not fine jewelry, so I think you can really kind of tell with the price that it's not real gold. It's more so just gold colored hardware. If this was fine jewelry, one earring just like this would probably cost $1,000 on its own, which Louis Vuitton on their website, they do have a couple of earrings just like so, which you can check out. They have this one here that comes with like a little diamond, and then they also have this one here too, which I think is in the men's section, that's just like this one, but it's also just smaller, but again, over $1,000 in price. And to be honest, I'm not really interested in spending that type of money right now, and these ones get the job done just fine, and I'm really happy with them. So as I mentioned earlier, the Louis Vuitton earrings are just really great for everyday wear. I have had these ones since the beginning of January, and ever since then I have been wearing them every single day. I remember when I first got them, I usually wait a little bit before like opening and unboxing my stuff, but for these ones, I immediately opened them and I wore them the next day, because that's how excited I was to just have purchased these earrings. But yeah, I mean, I wear them when I'm running errands, when I'm going to work, if I'm grabbing coffee. The places that I don't wear them to are like obvious places, but it would be like to the gym or to the pool or the beach, unless I'm not getting in the water for some reason. And you know, because these ones are like not real gold, I do want to take care of them to prevent them from rusting or tarnishing, because again, it's not real gold, so it's not made to last in that way. I know I had a couple of people message me regarding these earrings and just how they are wearing so far, because people have had concerns that they're going to rust and tarnish and they're not going to last. So I thought I would provide an update regarding these earrings so far, because I have been wearing them every single day, and to be honest, they have been holding up just fine, and I'm really happy with them. So yeah, let me go ahead and take these off and show you. Alright, so here is a close-up of the Louis Vuitton iconic earrings. And again, these ones are not real gold. This is fashion jewelry, so it's just gold colored hardware. To be honest, these ones are actually a lot larger than I had originally thought, but I ended up really just loving the size. So let me go ahead and just show you one at a time. But here is what one earring looks like, and here at the very bottom, they actually say Louis Vuitton, as you can see. The quality of these earrings, it's actually pretty good. And this little part that closes the earring, it's actually a little flower, as you can see here. This one has been holding up really good, and the closure is pretty tight, so I don't really have any concerns with my earring coming off. Here's what the back of one earring looks like. It's a little dirty, but I think I can probably clean this. But yeah, no rusting, no tarnishing so far, and again, I've been wearing these every single day. Right over here we have the date code, I believe, and also the product number. But yeah, this is what one of the earrings looks like, and again, like, still in really good condition. Here is the other one, same exact thing. There's no really like any scratches on it, but again, looks in really good condition. And here's the back of this earring. And yeah, I can probably clean these earrings, but I really don't see any signs of like terrible wear. I used to wear like my Tory Burch earrings. Let me see if I can grab them really quick. These ones are my Tory Burch earrings that I also was wearing every single day. These ones are also fashion jewelry, and I am pretty sure I wore these to a pool party in Vegas, and these ones have held up just fine. So overall, I am really loving the Louis Vuitton iconic earrings. They are $395 in price, which I don't think is a really bad price at all for a pair of earrings that you can wear every single day. I think I just saw them in stock online right before making this video, so I don't think they're really that hard to get a hold of. But yeah, let me know if you have any other questions in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!